today I'm going to take a review on the crocodile who ate butter chicken for breakfast and other stories. This book is written by Garunisa A, and Garunisa A is a award-winning writer of children's fiction, and the funny side of the life is her first 2020 in 2090 is her first stories first book for adults, and this book contains of 20 stories and 189 pages. This is the content page. This is the author's note, and after the author's note this is the content page. The first story is The Crocodile Who Ate Butter Chicken is the name of the book. The second one, Gobbling Up Gobbler, a kite for Karthik. The Koala Magic, the absent-minded professor. Oh dear, zebra crossing size the day when literature returned Spears Academy. So we are going to check the first story. The first story is all about a pet crocodile, not a single crocodile. It's a pet crocodile who ate butter chicken for breakfast. It's all about and a boy named Arjun wanted a crocodile as a pet. Then his friends teased him when he said he wanted a crocodile for as a pet. Then finally he got a crocodile and he named it Snubby and etc. And what he learned from there when he grown a crocodile. And the second story, Gobbling Up a Gobbler. It is all about a boy who wants turkey chicken. It's a meat, and turkey chicken is a meat, and he wants turkey chicken for Christmas lunch, and he would not allow his parents to make chicken for Christmas lunch, and finally he realized that turkey is not available there, and his mother's and father's mind, and finally he agreed to eat chicken, and he, for his surprise and for his mother's relief, his mother made him a turkey egg, and he was very happy. And the third story is A Kite for Karthik. It's all about a boy who needed a kite but didn't get it, and his uncle bought one for his birthday. He flew it in a kite competition and he was the winner. And the Koala Magic is all about a bag. It's a koala bag, and that bag is a special bag. Not very special, but it saved a kid's life. One day, a friend was walking. A friend was walking, and a kid called Mate. Was his real name was not Mate, but one of his friend was calling him Mate. One day, while that friend was walking, he saw someone tapping in the window on the traffic. He saw it was a car, and inside that car was Mate, and he can easily realize because of that koala bag. It's after school. His mother picked pick him from the school and was going on the way when they can't cross the road because there are lot of vehicles on the traffic. Then that friend met his friend Mate, and Mate was tapping on the window. He looked at when he heard the tapping on the window, and his friend was yelling for help. Then when he reached home, he understood that it was his neighbor also, not only a friend, it was a neighbor also. When the neighboring house was surrounded by the police, he asked what's the matter, and then Mate's father and mother said that he was kidnapped, that police are searching for him. And then he understood why Mate was tapping on the window and asked for help, and then he set the vehicle number to that mate's father, and that's all. And they found and they get the koala magic that the absent-minded professor. That's the next story. The absent-minded professor is all about one monkey. Not the all not for a monkey. Once there was a girl called Kavita, and her father will always lose his glasses, and one day they found the glasses in a fridge, and a giant monkey, when they opened the window, the monkey jumped in, and the giant monkey, etc. This is the picture. This is the monkey. Oh Dear is all about 4 children do not like studying, and finally their mother teach them a lesson, and that's and etc. And the last story is Then They Lived Happily Ever After. Then They Lived Happily Ever After is a story which I really liked, and that story is my favorite story, and this is the favorite story in this book, and this is all about Cinderella. You all know about Cinderella, who married a prince finally, and Cinderella sisters there were 2 sisters. Cinderella, after Cinderella married the princess, the 2 sisters were alone, and what happened to those sisters then they became rats by the wizard. They became rats and married rat family. That's all about this story. And this book is Indian rupees 249. It cost Indian rupees 249. This is all about nature. This book is all about nature. Every story in nature, adventures. You can see the picture itself. It's all about animals, natures, adventures, and some extra refreshing stories, and etc. Yeah, it's a very nice book, and it is. I like this book very much. There are a lot of stories in this book. All the stories are very good, and this is an excellent choice for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.